So Highway 1 has turned east, going inland. We're going to hook up in about 22 miles, 22 miles with the Highway 101. So we've left the coast and the weather has cleared up, but I anticipate a lot of climbing, a lot of curvy roads as we go through some of these mountains. Nice wind. It's kind of at our back, so that's good. We did lose our shoulder, so we're on the road again, but hopefully there won't be much traffic today. Always takes me a little while to get warmed up in the morning, even though it's actually noon, but when we start, it takes me a little while to get the legs going. Elevation 171, 73, 75. So we're still climbing. Okay. It's a lot of work, folks, but the view is worth it. These logging trucks, they haul the logs up in the big long trailers. Then they put the trailer actually on top of the truck when they go back down. I guess makes it easier on these windy roads. Those logging trucks are kind of my biggest worry. A few of those logging trucks, they don't even try to move over at all. They just fly right by you within inches. I don't think they like cyclists on their road. Recently at one of the campgrounds, I was speaking with two Canadian cyclists who were heading south, and they mentioned that Highway 1 in Northern California is one of those roads where you just keep doing the same thing over and over. No matter how much climbing you do, you always end up back down at sea level. So you've got this road coming up, crazy climb. And it just keeps climbing and climbing, up and up. with lots of heavy traffic, especially the big logging trucks. But anyway, you just keep climbing and eventually you get to the top, and then you go back down to sea level and you climb back up. It's not like you climb to a certain elevation and you stay at that elevation for miles and miles. And no, it's just kind of like Groundhog Day. You just keep doing the same thing over and over and over. You know, so, but that's, I guess, part of the journey, part of the, you know, you got to put up with days like this where it's just climbing narrow roads, narrow shoulders, and lots of traffic. We'll get through it. Just gave the dogs a break. Getting rid of this case. As soon as I find a campground, I'll leave it for somebody else. I don't need it. I took what was in there out, save space, and get rid of it, give it to somebody else. You can hear those logging trucks usually, which is good, gives you a little warning. All right, time to climb this hill.